So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to align text to the left side of the screen in Adobe Express. So first thing you have to do obviously is open up Adobe Express, add some text to your document. So I'll just go to add text right here and add some random text. So I'm just going to type in, how about I type in, double click to edit. I will type in left align text in Adobe Express. So as you can tell, it actually is currently aligned to the center of the screen. If you want to align it to the left side of the screen, super simple. I'll go into this option right here below main style. As you can tell right now, it's aligned to the center. If you want to align it to the left, press on this option right here to where it says align to the left. And as you can tell, all the text will now align to the left side of the text box. Once that is done, press on the X right here, exit out of your screen. You can drag this to wherever you want. And there you basically go. That is how you guys can align text to the left side of the screen here in Adobe Express. I hope this video helps.